Good evening, folks. It's Diamond with the Oppenheimer Ranch Project and Magnetic Reversal News, bringing you a magnetic excursion update Sunday, November 2nd, around 10 p.m. Mountain Time, 2025. At least 7 killed as Magnitude 6.3 earthquake strikes Afghanistan. Yes, deadly. And we'll be covering this all in just a moment. So keep calm and buckle up. It's boom time. Widespread rainfall returning to the Bay Area, leading to difficult driving conditions. And well, we have got a lot of weather to report on. The Delmarva, the East Coast, and South in the Carolinas, lots of precipitation currently showing up on Tornado HQ. Just one severe weather warning, a special one. And there we go. So head over to tornadohq.com live. And now the full forecast. Cold front moving through the northeast U.S. Monday. Atmospheric river to impact the Pacific Northwest midweek with multiple events happening through November. A cold front will cross the Great Lakes and the northeast U.S. through Monday, with gusty winds and areas of rain showers. A strong atmospheric river is expected to move into the Pacific Northwest midweek, bringing a threat of moderate to heavy rainfall, gusty winds, and mountain snows for parts of Washington, Oregon, Northern California, and the Sierra Nevadas. So let's take a look at what's coming, and no one's bumming. Here we are on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and boom time in the Pacific Northwest. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and we've frozen up. Giant hail causes injuries and damage to cars, homes across southeast Queensland. Take a look at these big bombers. Holy macaroni. Large hailstones, lightning, and rain has lashed parts of southeast Queensland, with the bomb urging residents to remain alert for potential further activity. A wind gust of more than 100 kilo per hour was recorded in Dalby, with hailstones to 9 centimeters falling in Pratten. Holy macaroni, look at these babies. Absolutely spectacular. At least 7 killed as Magnitude 6.3 earthquake strikes Afghanistan. A Magnitude 6.3 struck northern Afghanistan tonight into Monday, killing at least 7 people and injuring 150, according to provincial officials. The quake, at a depth of 28 kilometers, just 17 miles below the surface, near Mazar-i-Sharif, hit 2 months after a tremor in the east killed 2,200. So this death toll will definitely increase. The overnight quake, which happened 2 months after a tremor that impoverished nations east killed over 2,200 people, hit at a depth of 28 kilometers in Qom, near the city of Mazar-i-Sharif, according to USGS. The Taliban authorities have had to deal with several major quakes since returning to power in 2021, including one in 2023 in the western Herat region on the border with Iran that killed more than 1,500 people and destroyed more than 63,000 homes. So we're waiting for updates as they come in, and, well, it doesn't look good, folks. Small activities like these lead to major deaths because none of the homes in this region are built for earthquakes. Seismic update. No quakes of note. There's that big rumbler in Afghanistan, now upgraded to 6.3 at 22 kilometers of depth. That's crazy. Wow. Yeah, that's a big one. Overall, low-level activity worldwide. We've got a 5.0 in Las Chiapas in Mexico. Worldwide volcano news. We've got Conleon, first on the list, 9,000-foot puff there. Santiaguito, no volcanic ash has been observed. White Island is 7,000 feet. Reventador, 15,000 feet. Semedu, who knew, now you do. Eruption, was reported. Fuego, possible volcanic ash. Conleon to 10,000. Reventador to 15,000. Possible volcanic ash at Sungay. Fuego to 16,000. White Island to 4,000 feet today. Conleon as well, puffing and passing. Krashenikov to 10,000. Santiaguito to 14,000. Semadu, who knew, now you do. Eruption was reported. Reventador, ongoing volcanic ash. Sungay to 20,000. Fuego, ongoing volcanic ash. White Island to 4,000. Wrapping up the list today. Space weather. A big coronal hole is about to face Earth. This is a big one. It looks like, well, I won't say. Hey. Geomagnetic forecast is quiet for the next 3 days. 3 meteor showers, a supermoon, boom, to shine in California sky. Here's one to look up, folks. Well, on the 5th, the supermoon will be full on the night of Tuesday, November 4th, the night of Wednesday, November 5th. So both nights, so go get it. Peak illumination will be at 5:19 a.m. on Wednesday, November 5th. As the moon drifts over the horizon around sunset, it may appear larger and more orange, according to the Farmer's Almanac. November's Beaver Moon supermoon boom is the second of 3 supermoons scheduled to take place in 2025 and the biggest of the supermoon booms. Archaeologists discover the world's oldest paintings made long before humans existed and eerily sophisticated. Ancient cave paintings dating back to 65,000 years are turning human history on its head. Found in remote caves across continents, these artworks suggest a shocking origin, and they weren't made by, those you think. Well, this is a completely stupid article. We know about all these cave paintings and who actually painted them. So, whatever this IDR science is, you can suck it. And that's a boom to knowledge. Please hit the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and be safe. We love you. And that is a boom. Yeah.